How to buy USDT on Bitget. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Bitget mobile application. Then tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here on the overview page, tap on the Add Funds option. If for any reason if you are not able to find Add Funds option on the overview page, then first tap on the Spot option and here select the Deposit or the Add Funds option. Now you will be able to see various types of methods with the help of which you can deposit USDT on Bitget. But since you want to buy USDT, most probably you want to use your credit or debit card, P2P trading or any other methods in order to purchase it. So here, right next to the Buy Crypto With option, you need to tap on the drop down menu and select the fiat currency that you want to spend in order to purchase your USDT. Let's say you want to use USD in order to purchase it, so you need to simply select it, then select the payment method. It can be credit or debit card or any other methods of your choice. Now enter the amount of USD that you want to basically purchase. After that, it will select it as Ethereum, but you can simply tap on the drop down menu and you just have to select USDT. After that, tap on the Buy USDT option and you need to just follow further instructions. Initiate your payment and make your payment. Once your payment is completed, you will be able to buy USDT on the Bitget exchange. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.